Hi friends, it's your favorite wig reviewer and I'm back with another video. This unit is from Donmily Hair. The specs on this wig is it is 26 inches, the texture is body wave, and it is a 5x5 lace closure HD unit. So as you can see in the beginning of the video, we have a patch in the front, a strawberry blonde-ish looking patch. And everything else that is not the blonde color is dyed jet black. And I did this jet black just to give it dimension because it'll make the blonde pop a lot more. And honestly, jet black is my favorite color hair. I absolutely love it. If you've seen my last updated jet black coloring tutorial, I do use the Revlon Color Stay jet black hair dye. I don't use temporary color anymore, and this just makes the hair pop a lot more. But I'm slapping this bleach on with just my hands because I didn't have a brush, and it worked just fine. And I used the comb to get super close to the roots. You want to make sure when the bleach is sitting on the hair that you have it wrapped up in tin foil, and this just helps with the coloring process altogether. I ended up going over the patch in the front twice with the bleach because I wanted to get it as light as possible, and I was super impressed with the color because it came out super even. Your wig is completely dry, I just took my Babyliss flat iron and I began to straighten her. When you do process hair, whether it be bleaching or box coloring, you do want to make sure that you condition the hair afterwards, because if not, the hair would be kind of stiff, and I learned this the hard way. So after I did wash all of that out, I didn't record me conditioning the hair, but that process is essential. Also, I have my flat iron on the highest setting, which I think is like 475. And you can flat iron hair on this high of a temperature that's colored when you have a permanent hair color in the hair. Now, if this was a semi-permanent hair color, you would just steam the color right out. And if you've done hair before, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You basically will burn the color out of the hair. But since this is permanent, girl, you can flat iron as high as you want and that color is not gonna go anywhere. So that's one thing that I do love about permanent hair dye. And again, like I said, I did condition the hair, but I just want to touch on that again. If you are using the Revlon Color Stay, it comes with conditioner packets inside the box, and that's the only thing that I use. I didn't use anything extra, and the Color Stay conditioning packs worked a charm. I absolutely loved it, and it kind of reminded me of silicone mix, so I would definitely recommend using that. Here, after the flat ironing process was done, I'm just going to get my hot comb, and I'm going to get the top of that wig as flat as possible. As you can see, girl, this hair is super shiny, and I didn't even put any product in her. Love it. Thing that I do love about closure wigs is that they are so easy to install. So after you cut the lace, you only have to glue her down and then you are done. The wig looks so bomb, natural, and healthy. I absolutely love this style. So if you did want to pick up this wig and try this hairstyle out yourself, everything on her is going to be in the description box down below. Thank you so much to Donmily for working with me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.